Want to upgrade your TV experience without upgrading the cost of your space? You can download Tubi free on your smart TV now.
Tell me every last detail.
No passwords, logins, or credit cards needed. From originals and classics
Okay.
to Hollywood hits and more. Choose from the largest streaming library in the
Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Adam Clayton here in the Storm Team 27 Weather Center, bringing you an update to your weather on this Sunday. Live look at the Lake Club. This is just shortly after 9 o'clock this morning. Seeing mostly cloudy skies, we're seeing some peaks there in the clouds as well. Temperature is up to 40 degrees and the wind is northwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now thankfully that big storm system that we were dealing with yesterday and at the end of last week has moved off into the Atlantic Ocean, and that's good news because there were several power outages still in place. Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, even southern Ohio and into Michigan there. Thankfully, all of the power outages in the valley have been resolved, and we are going to see these clouds that you see over the area. Those are going to start to push out. So let's look at the future tracker for the rest of the day. By the afternoon here, this is 3:45. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. I think they'll be a little bit warmer than what this model is anticipating. I'm forecasting upper 40s here in Youngstown. Could even see some 50-degree values down there in Columbiana County. Then tonight, more clouds move in, and there is the chance for some isolated showers and sprinkles early tomorrow morning as the temperatures come back into the upper 30s to around 40. And then tomorrow will be an interesting forecast. If these clouds break up, the temperatures will be able to rise a little bit more, but right now I'm forecasting around 55 here in Youngstown. Notice Salineville up to 60 and then Stoneboro at 48, so there could be quite the temperature discrepancy tomorrow. Something that we'll have to watch. Hopefully the clouds can break up a little bit and we can get a little bit warmer air in here. And then a cool front drops in tomorrow night, which will bring the chance for some showers tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. So that will be what we can expect then. So today's forecast, 48 degrees, becoming partly cloudy. Tonight, mostly cloudy with patchy fog.
27 Viper radar with the satellite turned on. There's a little trough that's pivoting through the Great Lakes, touching off some showers. I think our best chance to see raindrops here will be when this little line you see associated with the cold front there approaches a little later tonight. Radar is starting to show some returns close to home. These would be very light, and I don't expect much reaching the ground from those at this time. Walking through your night, you can see we stopped at 5 a.m. and there's just a couple of very light returns here. This would not be a washout of the night by any means, but early in the morning, we could see a couple of raindrops in spots cold enough that may mix with a snowflake. Now, toward the after sunrise here, about 8 a.m., you can see we're looking at that precipitation moving off to our east. And through the morning, the clouds then become the focus and watching for those to start to break. Into the afternoon, we'll have a chance for these clouds to start clearing out a little bit. And that would help us out with our temperatures, getting us back toward the upper 40s for highs. The second half of the day does look like we'll see a little bit more sunshine in the first half. And then into Sunday night, things pretty quiet, though clouds are going to start building back in toward Monday morning. As a warm front approaches, that is going to bring the chance for another start to our day with a little rain that can mix with a few snowflakes. This is through about 9 to 10 a.m. Monday. The afternoon, when those clouds start to break and our temperatures jump, Monday a warmer one as highs go toward about. Through the morning, the clouds then become the focus and watching for those to start to break. Into the afternoon, we'll have a chance for these clouds to start clearing out a little bit. And that would help us out with our temperatures, getting us back toward the upper 40s for highs. The second half of the day does look like we'll see a little bit more sunshine in the first half. And then into Sunday night, things pretty quiet, though clouds are going to start building back in toward Monday morning. As a warm front approaches, that is going to bring the chance for another start to our day with a little rain that can mix with a few snowflakes. This is through about 9 to 10 a.m. Monday. The afternoon, when those clouds start to break and our temperatures jump, Monday a warmer one as highs go toward about upper 50s, mid to upper 50s across the area. So 34 tonight, becoming cloudy. That chance for a light shower or sprinkle or isolated flurry there. It's primarily before sunrise. After sunrise, if you've got breakfast plans, no concerns there. We'll be looking at skies mostly cloudy through the morning, becoming partly sunny into the afternoon. And then for Monday, that is the warmest day of this forecast period with a high in the mid to near upper 50s. After that, you don't see a whole lot of warmth, unlike recent 7-day forecast stretches. We're going to spend the early part of the week dropping to the 30s by Tuesday and Wednesday, and then highs around 40 to wrap up your work week, and watching for another round of some showers moving in Friday through Saturday.
are long gone. Stranger came into Klarna. That's
Klarna, smooth shopping.
And watching a little disturbance sliding through the lower Great Lakes, and this drop as it swings through increases our clouds and brings a small chance for a couple of raindrops overnight. I expect that to be very light, with temperatures falling to the mid to low 30s though. A flurry or two isn't out of the question, or a little mix of rain and snow. It won't cause you any problems, but overnight you see skies clouding up here, and we stop at about 3:30 in the morning. That's when we're going to start watching for perhaps a couple of isolated rain showers showing up. Now this model here just updating, not showing many of those showers overhead. It is a low risk. It's not going to be a washout by any means, but still through about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, you have a window there to see a couple of raindrops. Now, as we get into Sunday afternoon, what I'm watching closely are how quickly we can break up these clouds. Where those clouds thin out will determine just how much sunshine we see and, of course, how warm our temperatures can get. I'm looking for highs jumping to the upper 40s. That hinges on those clouds thinning out. As you go just north of our area, likely to still see a mostly cloudy sky. But we'll start clouding up again overnight into your Monday. And then as this wants to rush through here through Monday, there's a little storm system that comes through, bringing another cold front late in the day. That's after our temperatures warm to the mid-50s for highs, and then we'll start turning colder. So 34, that low for tonight, becoming cloudy, and again, a light shower or a light mix of rain and snow possible there. By 8 a.m. that threat ends, and then we're watching the clouds that start to thin out as we get into the afternoon. Skies become partly sunny, 48 for your high, 28 the low Sunday night, and then Monday, I'm watching for an isolated shower or an isolated mix of rain and snow early in the morning. We'll get into a little sunshine for the afternoon as we warm to a high in the mid-50s there. And then Monday night, rain becomes likely. That's as a cold front comes through, and that front, well, it's going to allow colder air to move in for your Tuesday, and temperatures not warming up as much through the week. Upper 30s Tuesday and also Wednesday. We're in the low 40s Thursday and Friday, mid-40s for the high next Saturday.